Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve keychain error on Samsung on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve keychain error on Samsung on Pinterest, you should just go to settings like this where you click. After that, in this page you go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest. After that, here in this page we go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.